Here's how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. To restore the last tab you closed, press Ctrl-Shift-T on your keyboard. Chrome will instantly reopen the most recently closed tabs. Press it again to keep restoring previously closed tabs one by one. You can also click the three dots in the top right corner, go to History, and under Recently Closed, you will see a list of recently closed tabs. Click any one to reopen it instantly. To restore an entire window you closed, open Chrome, click the three dots, go to History, and click Restore Window. All the tabs from your previous session will reopen at once. To make Chrome always reopen your tabs automatically, go to Settings, click On Startup on the left side, and select Continue where you left off. From now on, every time you open Chrome, it will restore all your previous tabs without you having to do anything. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.